Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. I'm glad you stopped by. Thank you, thank you. Today, I'm excited to bring you an unboxing, and it will be a true unboxing. I just received my FedEx box, and it came from Honolulu. So, are you excited? Because I am. And do you know what it is? Because I do. How about you? So, let's move this stuff off of the table and get that box. So, we'll be right back. All right, I am back. I'm so excited I can't speak clearly. So, I'm back with the box, with my scissors, and we are going to do some unboxing. But first, last week I was picking up a return. I was here to pick up a repair, and that was it. Something took over me, and this is how we get this. This is what happens when you put in a repair and you have to go and pick it up. They should just ship those repairs right back to your home address, for you don't have to go into the store. And I think, you know what? I think you can do that, but I didn't ask for that. So, my bad. So, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. All right. So, yeah, I don't know about these scissors. Progress. Houston, we have progress. Oh my gosh. Okay, we just need to get it started. And no, I don't want to break a nail. Okay, so let me just share with you the inside of the box. You see how that is? Yes, it's from Chanel. But look, it's like they shrink wrapped it. I've had a couple of items before shipped to my home, and this was not the way they shipped it. So this is some serious shipping, right? I like it. All right. The box. So it's like, let me see. Okay. So your item is not going anywhere, right? It's staying in there. It's secure in the box. All right, so let's get those scissors again. It says lift here. Hold on. Let's follow directions. Oh. Okay. Hello. Lift here. Extra packaging. And then, voila. Yes. Okay. Breathe. There you go. This is what I got. And here we are. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. Okay. Let's get it under control. Take a deep breath. Are we ready? Yes? All right. So, of course, beautiful box, beautiful Chanel ribbon, the camellia, beautiful. Leave it right there, and we'll untie it. And then, and the little camellia. Oh! Oh, okay, sorry. So let's put that right there. And then we open the box, and then you have the tissue paper with the Chanel little sticker on there. And well, carefully undo that. And then, are we ready? I am ready. And I want you to tell me what you think about it. Your honest opinion. Comment below your honest opinion about this item in here. So, let's get started, okay? All right. So, of course, there's a little cover over, the front and the back. Let me just take it out but we can see it together, okay? And here it is. All right. And I'll put it right there. And then the inside, of course, you have your dust bag. Your dust bag. You have the receipt enclosed in your Chanel booklet. And then you have the care booklet with the cloth inside to wipe down your purse. And then the accordion tissue paper. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so let's close this back up. Let me put everything back in there. And there we go. And it is closed. There we go. So here it is. Here it is. Here she is. Here she is. Here she is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So it is the Chanel Trendy. Yes. And it is 19K flat bag with handle in the color light brown. It looks like a cognac to me, but that is on the label. 19K flat bag with a gold hardware. So I really think that the gold hardware complements the color light brown or beige or darker beige or cognac, whatever that you feel like it is. Comment below and tell me, what color do you think this is? Is this a light brown to you? Or is this a dark beige? Beautiful gold hardware in the front with the double interlocking C's. The Chanel hardware at the top. The bar that goes across. The top handle. The pocket in the back. The beautiful chain with the leather that runs through the chain And once we open it up, okay, so once we open it up, they have secured all the packaging with extra padding everywhere. This is for the front. Then they have one in the back. And then they have one additional one for the hardware against the front, the back of the flap of the inside. So this is additional. This is going to come off. And then, of course, you have 3 compartments. 1, 2, 3. You have in the front compartment, I don't know if you can see it, but you have the 2 like side pockets, you want to say, and then that lipstick pocket in the front. And okay, I am looking for my authenticity card, which I am not seeing. Oh, okay, let me unzip the zipper. And the back, the very last pocket in the back, the third one, is where you normally find. I cannot get to it. Let's see, I don't want to pull everything. Let me pull this paper out, and then this paper out, and then this paper out, and we can get a better view of the inside of the pocket. And then here you go, authenticity card. Yes, you always want to check and make for sure that it is in there. So I'm going to stick it right back in. And now that I have all that padding, other than this one, out, you can see how roomy the Trendy is. It is a beautiful, gorgeous bag. The color, excellent. It's, you know, this color, neutral, will go with any and everything. Any and everything. Take a look at it. Tell me what you think. Would you buy it? Let me see. Would you buy it? You can't see me, huh? Would you buy it? Look at that. And then the back. Oh, I love it. There you go. The inside, close-up view, minus the extra padding. Comment below if you have one